Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn featured section assets using Dropbox step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile page. Scroll down to the featured section where your assets are displayed. Take note of the assets you want to back up, such as articles, links, or uploaded media. Open a new browser tab and sign in to your Dropbox account. If you don't have a Dropbox account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged into Dropbox, click on the Upload button to start the backup process. Choose files or folder depending on how you want to organize your assets. Navigate back to your LinkedIn profile and right-click on each asset in the featured section. Select Save Link as for links or download the files directly for uploaded media. Return to your Dropbox and select the folder where you'd like to store your LinkedIn assets. Click Open to upload the saved assets to Dropbox. Wait for the upload process to complete, ensuring all files are transferred. Confirm that your files are successfully uploaded by checking your Dropbox folder. For added security, consider organizing the assets into subfolders by type or project. Once all assets are backed up, log out of both LinkedIn and Dropbox for security. Your LinkedIn featured section assets are now safely stored in Dropbox for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.